Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by prioritizing safety and legal steps. Turn off the system at the thermostat, then flip the main breaker, lock out the breaker, and place a tag. Once done, discharge any stored energy by waiting 5 minutes and wearing gloves and eye protection. Make sure to confirm the refrigerant must be recovered by a certified technician. If so, schedule recovery before touching the compressor. Next, remove the service panel and label electrical connections so you won't mix wires later. Now you proceed to the heavy work. Disconnect electrical leads and photograph each connection so reassembly is foolproof. Once all power is secured, drain the compressor oil into a labeled container and ensure refrigerant lines are properly sealed or recovered. This protects the system and environment. Next, remove the mounting bolts, cut or unsolder tubing as needed, and use a small hoist or partner to lift the compressor clear. Take care to avoid tipping. Compressors are heavy and have internal components that can shift if handled roughly. Install the replacement compressor by aligning it on the mounts, torquing bolts to manufacturer specs, and replacing the filter drier if recommended. Once mechanically secure, braze or tighten refrigerant lines, then evacuate the system to the specified micron level to remove moisture and non-condensables. This step preserves performance. After a proper vacuum, charge with the correct refrigerant quantity, restore power, and start the unit. If pressures or temperatures look off or you hear loud knocks, stop immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.